Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Nur Hafiza binti Ismail. My ID number is 7401030257580001. I study at Open University Malaysia, Branch Al-Star, Kedah Darul Aman. The outliners for my presentation consist of few aspects, which is the first is launching a new product, second is current marketing situation, third is SWOT analysis, fourth the objective and issue, last but not least is marketing strategy. To make your surface sparkling clean, people use a variety of products which are expensive as well as not very much effective. We provide you a product which is cost effective and easy to use and remove germs and make your surface sparkling clean. Today, I will launch my new product inspired from the television advertisement named Super Egg. The motto of product is surface cleaner and germ killer, which means this product is one of the best to clean any surface and kill germs that cannot be seen by your eyes. This is a picture of the packaging of my new product. For your knowledge, this Super X product is multi-surface cleaner, which means it can clean dust and everything on any surface such as wood, stainless steel, granite, porcelain, electronic, laminate, marble, plastic, and glass. Next, we go to current marketing situation, which is what is the potential of my target market. Here is the answer I would come for. The potential target market of our product is very vast, as it included segment who invest in cleaning brands, as well as a segment that purchase insect killer like housewife and so on. As for the product review, I would like to categorize it into three functions. We can say it is 3 in 1. First is floor cleaner. It means that we can use Super Egg to clean floor or any surface, as I mentioned before. The second function, it is can kill germ up to 99.99%, which means it is very effective to kill germ that cannot be seen by our eyes. The third function, it is also can be used insecticide repeller. We can use this product to repel and insect from coming whatever we use it on. Our aim, the objective, is to become a worldwide known product is in cleaning brand. As I select Super Egg as my new product to be launched, I can run away from having competition from my competitors such as Harpic, Domex, and Dettol. Next, we go to strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis or we can use SWOT analysis. As for the first asset is strengths, the strengths of my product is we have the upper hand is a good brand promotion by advertising and other media. Good distribution channel is also important to ensure the percent of my brand. I use quick dry formula in my Super Egg product to reduce the drying time. The second aspect is weaknesses. If there is strength, there also always weaknesses. But for your information, weaknesses not mean to be neglected but to be dealt with. As far as my concern, there are 3 weaknesses spotted in my product. First one, it is got touch competition, which means my market share growth is limited. Second, is there is possibility for the fake product with similar name which appear. If this happen, it can affect my brand presence. There is also possible for the confusion to occur about my brand image. I would not make this product if I cannot see my opportunities cannot see any opportunities for my Super Egg product. Here I enlist 3 possible opportunities in my product. First, it is still major market which not tapped. Second, this product should attempt in rural area because of the price is adaptable to all citizens. Lastly, this product bring variety to this segment for the buyer to choose the best of the segment. Last but not least in the trees, first local player offering a lot price. Offering at a lot price. Substitute such as detergent available for cleaning, and there is increase in low cost private label. There are 4 elements for marketing mix, which a product, price, place, and promotion. This aspect is very important for the product to be acknowledged by the buyers and to promote this product to the next level. We can classify the needs of white housewife public 3-in-1 quality such as different place, brand name, and brand logo. Different places provide different opportunities. The brand name and brand logo is also important to attract more buyers to buy my product. The higher the brand name, the higher the price, but we have to take note that buyer will feel more comfortable and convinced to buy the high-end product. also notice the pricing strategy is very important. As for my market entry strategy, I will apply the combination to customer-oriented pricing and market penetration strategy to maximize the segment of potential target market. As for my product, I fix the price 2 milliliter 100 of 200 milliliter for 3 ringgit and 42 cent, 500 milliliter for 5 ringgit and 62 cent, and 750 milliliter for 7 ringgit and 70 cent. My product price is the cheapest compared to another 3 product like Hapid, Domex, and Dettol. I target 4 places to sell product such as urban area, direct selling shop, and superstore. I will be using 5 promotion skills such as advertising, sales promotion, public relation, personal selling, and direct marketing. These 5 promotion skills are already being proven its effectiveness in selling product. I also target the buyer of the age of 25 years old to 55 years old. As for the family cycling, I target married couple with or without children. I also expect the average use age for my product to be 1 liter per year. If we see Hapid product, I consist of the 3 bottles for the 3 function. Therefore, my product is more cheaper and usable because my Super Egg got 3 function in 1 bottle. This will benefit the customer because customer behavior will be positive toward the product because the company try to meet all the desired needs and one of these customer. Last but not least, I recommend my Super X product because it's cheaper than other product, and it consists of 3 functions in 1 bottle. That's all for today. Thank you for lending me your